always hot.
Every
time we do something, it's always hot. All right, everyone, welcome back. Right? It's hot.
Yeah.
I don't know. All right, everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to start cutting out, making a template and cutting out the wood for this. We have a sheet of 1/2 inch marine grade plywood. I went with a 1/2 inch because I'll show you why. Let's take a look. What would 1/2 inch? Because the distance from there to there is about 1.25 inches. So I feel like with 2 1/2 inch pieces of ply kind of wedged in there with a number of sheets of or layers of, what do we call it? Fiberglass?
Fiberglass.
Fiberglass, yeah. That'll build it up to that 1.25 inches. So we should be good to go.
Look at all the bumblebees on the flowers. There's one. I like.
Yeah, there's bumblebees like all over the place over here. There's a lot. Oh my god.
Yeah, I know. They're like swarming.
Look at that. That's crazy.
Yeah, they like those flowers.
Yeah, they do like those flowers. There's tons of bumblebees on these things, whatever they are. I don't even know what they are. So, what we're gonna do first is we got Mikey here. We're gonna hold up this big sheet of paper. Yep, you're Mikey.
Yeah, Mikey.
We'll hold up a big sheet of paper. Actually, you know what? I don't even think we need to hold up a sheet of paper.
Why would we?
Why would we?
I don't know.
Why do you think we don't need to hold up a sheet of paper? There's an easier way to make a template.
A temple?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we just put that on camera.
So we have this piece right here. So basically, we can lay this right on the paper.
Yeah.
Right? Then add...
Because that wood is still usable.
Yeah, no, we're going to use that. I don't know. We'll fix it or leave it. Okay. We can leave that, right?
Yeah.
No, we'll fix it. Yeah. Well, because that crack's got to get fixed. And this one. So what's going to happen is when we get the all wood together, we'll be able to push this and make it all one piece.
Yeah.
And then what we'll do is we'll add a 1/2 inch going around the whole thing. And then that 1/2 inch will make the piece of wood slightly bigger to fit in there.
Yeah.
I think a 1/2 inch will be good.
Sounds good. Right?
We'll make it good. I think that'll work. Even and if we got to shave it down a little bit in spots, we will. So we'll take this, we'll lay it on the paper. Now we only have 1 sheet of plywood. So we're going to have to like cut this in half and like make all the pieces fit out of one. All right, so we're going to go in the shade
This
now.
is meant to fit for there.
What's that?
This is meant to fit for there, so it's not
well, yeah, that's going to be right back in there. So that'll be good.
Yeah.
So what we'll do is we'll go in the shade.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we'll start tracing it, cutting it, and then we'll lay it out on the wood the way we need to. So we got this set up. We're gonna get these roughly cut out. And I think like getting them roughly cut out would be good. And we'll see how close they are, because then we can set them up on the sawhorses and really fine tune them. All right, so I think the first thing we do
Someone didn't want to go to the school and get a jigsaw.
What's that?
Someone didn't want to go to the school and get a jigsaw.
Oh, I know.
And now you're complaining about it.
I am complaining about it. I could do this.
Why in the world did you do that?
Alright.
Bring these over.
So that's one. Let me get this one cleaned up a little bit. And the seam's going to be staggered too, which will make it stronger.
Yeah. What's going to be staggered?
The seams. So the seam won't be in the same place.
Okay.
Is that it? Why does something not look right? Oh wait,
It's like uneven.
upside down.
Oh, I was like, oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like
Oh,
that.
it's good.
That's pretty good. And then this one should be. Is that it?
Yep.
Something like that.
And then that one.
We could probably swap it to the other side.
Probably go wide.
And you see now the seam like doesn't like line up, and actually we could 180 it. It would be even stronger. We did this.
You could 180 what again? Oh,
Go
that,
like
yeah.
that. Now you see the seams are in two different spots.
Yeah.
Actually, I think this is the way it goes.
Yeah, it might be.
Like that.
All right.
That's
so
pretty
we
good.
take these over now. Put them on.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so we'll keep them together. So this one was, you want to grab the other one?
Yeah.
All right, grab the other one. It's a lot of work to get one in. What I found is this right here. One of these wheels on it, these metal carving wheels, definitely helps to get in like some of the weird spots, and it takes away a ton of material really quick. So that's definitely been handy. There's been like whole fiberglass and stuff and resin in there. So but these two are pretty good. Now I might, you know, some little adjustments, but they're in. Not easy. So now let's get the next set in. There you go. See, pretty tight in there. I think we are good to go. There it is. There's all that. All right, so we got that in, and that was work. About an hour's worth of work, maybe an hour and a half of just trying to fiddle and get them in. They're not even perfect, but you know, even like this, I'm gonna have to like go and fill in all that with, you know, whatever I can. But I mean, it even seems just like this, it seems stronger than what it was before. All right, so next time it's going to be fiberglassing this all in and getting that back panel back on. Whew. All right, so that's it. All right, everyone, next time we fiberglass. Have a good day. Oh, don't forget to subscribe and like so I can get to do more stupid stuff like this and fund my insanity. All right, later, everyone. Have a good day. Bye.